So, dear all the tele users, greeting from the TDL with Om, and my name is Om Prakash Shuike. Today, we have customized a very small thing in the tally, but this is a most powerful. Where if we use this, so will be build a better relationship with the customer. How is this working? Why and where we can be build a better relationship with customer? Let's see one by one and understand how this TCP is important for us. We everyone should know if we create any sale bill for the any party and if we share them the bill, so inside of that bill we also share them this is your closing balance after this bill. What if we do, if we get any receipt from the client, so after receipt will be update them this is your closing balance after this bill, so he will be up to date each and every time. So this is a most important where we are not doing any miscommunication with our customer. Let's see how this TCP is working and where we can be get this TCP. Please contact on this contact number or email so that we will be provide you this TCP. So just load this TCP on your, after loading this just enable this from the add-on feature. I have already enabled this. Okay, now open your any receipt. So I'll be opening here any receipt. You can be see here there is my multiple receipt, but I'll just open this first one receipt. You'll be seeing here the party is Ashok Rana stores, and once I get the receipt, once I get the payment from this party, shared this receipt to the party. But what if happen if we share this receipt including them closing balance? Yes, you are correct. You can be seen here. This is your predefined receipt. We just added there the closing balance. You can be seen here the 4,72,000. This is the previous balance, and we received a 17,000. Okay, so you are able to be see here. This is your current balance. It means closing balance. So if we get a multiple receipt from the party and we have shared them multiple receipts with closing balance, so each and every receipt he will be up to date. So we will be create a better relationship with our customer. Again, I'm sharing. If you want this TCP, so please connect with this contact number as well as email. And if you loved this video, so so hit the like button. If you want any another code, any another work in the tally, please comment it your query. And if you want regular videos like this types of updated videos, so subscribe our TDL with Home channel and hit the bell icon. So dear tele-users, we'll be meet in the new topic with a new video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai TDL.